Merhaba. Öyle bunu yeni buldum. Bakın bunu bulmak için neler yaptım. Bunları buradan çıkardım ve tüm kıyafetlerim düştü. Ama sıkıntı mı? Değil. Çünkü buldum. Evet, bugün Halloween ve bugün bir şeyler yapacağım sonunda. Birkaç ay sonunda. O yüzden vlog çekmek istedim. Öncelikle Hector'la buluşup Science World diye bir yer var. Orada böyle bilimsel... Bu arada aldığım çok olmuş sanırım. Orada böyle bilimsel çocuklar için mi emin değilim açıkçası. Ama böyle küçük küçük fiziksel deneyler falan var sanırım. Oraya gideceğiz ilk önce. He's learning. Evet. Ondan önce firework alacağız. Havai fişek alacağız. Çünkü bugün son legal günmüş Vancouver'da, onları kullanmak için artık bugünden sonra yasaklanıyor. O yüzden bir yerde patlatırız diye düşünüyoruz. O fireworkları da aldıktan sonra belki bir yerde bir yemek yiyip küçük, sonra o Science World'a gidip daha sonra da akşam Yamanlara gitmeyi planlıyoruz. Hello! Plan bu şekilde. Hector gelince gösteririm. Bakalım o ne düşünecek bunun hakkında. Çünkü bilmiyor.
Where we at right now?
We are so Hector came and picked me up. We are in this setup today right now. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna go to the Science World, which honestly I don't know what it is.
I'm not sure if it's for children actually.
What the fuck?
No, it should be okay. It should be okay.
So what? Children are happy 99% of the time.
Yeah, I think
Why
it's
would we not live like a child?
No, I think it's gonna be nice. But before that we're gonna get fireworks.
Yes, we're gonna get some fireworks.
Yes. Next step is fireworks.
Yeah, next step is fireworks.
Here we are. This store doesn't look safe enough.
No, it's a pop-up store.
Let's see what they have. So I was expecting to get one, but we got three, and I have no clue what they do.
We got this one, which is 12 shots to start up, to warm up.
So so you light them separate?
No, these three you light them separately. But
Yeah,
when you light this one, there's gonna be 12 fireworks.
Oh, okay.
Then you light this one, it's gonna be 25.
Okay.
And then we light this one, and it's gonna be 28.
And like it's getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, baby.
Bigger, better colors and shit like that.
Okay. You didn't see my costume yet.
No?
I have a costume I didn't show you.
Ah bon?
Yes. Okay, baby. So I'm gonna show you my costume.
Oh, yeah, okay, go.
Okay, go back. Turn back. Wait, okay, I'm ready. How does it look, baby?
What the fuck is this thing?
No, I'm the Sims. The game.
Oh! I never played video games growing up. I don't get the reference.
Are you serious?
No.
Okay.
Very
This is not
funny.
like I planned it.
I don't play video games. It's not my fault. I don't recognize
How can you not know this game, baby?
I never played video games. So, are you gonna wear that inside of there or no?
No, I'm not planning to.
No? Come on. We're going into the Science World. You squeeze.
Okay, so we're inside now.
So fun.
Okay, what does this do?
So you have to squeeze this as hard as you can.
Okay, I don't think I can right now.
Let's try this. Alright, ready?
Squeeze, baby. Oh, that's so weird.
Oh, damn, that's so
it's 75.
79 kilograms. That's not bad.
What? Is it kilograms?
So hard.
Really?
It's so hard. Try.
Wait, I'm gonna try. I'm saying 40 for me.
That's so hard. Alright. Ooh, 25. You made it to the yellow.
I would make like 40.
25 kilograms.
Yeah, I'm so weak. Okay, let's go.
You need a firm grip.
Oh, it's safe here.
Oh, he's got
fucking good palmar ligaments.
I got a good palmar. I got some phalanges. I got good phalanges, babe. We're gonna practice for when we go to Whistler. We're gonna practice. She doesn't ski, she snowboards. Oh no, oh no, oh no! Oh no!
Wait. Oh no, I should do it.
Oh no!
It's so hard.
Oh no! You're crashing at every turn. Alright.
Oh no, yeah! Oh fuck. Oh my god. Oh, it burns. Very sure. This is weird because I'm upside down. He's learning. Whoa! Whoa! That was the shooting.
Horrible. Fucking horrible. There's this.
Yes. I think my.
This.
I think my. Like my iPhone is getting worse and worse.
Or
I
this
guess. No, I didn't like them. The views like this. So it's over.
And boom.
That was it.
Scientifically, I learned some stuff.
Yes.
I learned that my wingspan is the same as my height. I found out there's some cool shit for 30 bucks.
Oh really? We forgot about parking. We didn't pay the parking because we're still... How much? 50? 50, right? 40? How much is it? Oh my
90
god.
bucks.
So we came to the beach and we thought that we would eat the food here because we got chipotle.
But
It's cold. Yes, it's cold.
It's freaking cold.
But the view is so nice.
It's very nice. We're debating whether we should stomach the cold and eat here.
I think we should enjoy it at home.
That big, cozy,
yes,
warm.
So we're in the beautiful, warm house.
Yeah. I got more for some reason.
Yeah, we didn't figure it out. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit! So, we ate chipotle. This is Tuche's and this is mine. These are the fireworks. Fireworks. And this is now a consequence of the chipotle.
Yes, I'm full.
You're full? Now I do this. There you go.
Thank you, my baby.
Taking care of a Tuche 101. There you go. Are you
Still not matched.
We're still not matched, no. And now I take this controller. And I'll go over here. This is a professional setup. You see this controller, that TV, she's got that one, and we're gonna connect the two screens. And that's Gaming 101.
I think this is Gaming 300.
This is Gaming 300.
300, do you still like that?
300? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, Gaming 300. Gaming 400, baby.
We got first! We got first! We got
We're gonna be
first!
extracted by the helicopter.
Here we go!
Woo!
High five!
Fuck yes! First win together.
Where is the first sign, baby?
Oh, it's doing on yours, not on mine.
Oh,
That's as good as you said, baby.
this is us. Here we go. Yes. So where are we going?
We're going to Yaman's for not a party, just like a small get together.
Yes. Let's see if they're playing Monopoly.
Monopoly. I've been done.
Monopoly. They put the candies here. Should we get one? Which one do you want?
I don't want it.
Oh, okay. I'll get
think
this.
that's very nice for the local.
Yeah, I
kids.
know. Okay, let's enter, baby.
Here.
I put it in my jacket. I also have my hat, but
Since
it's
that I don't understand the reference to.
Hello! Oh my god! You look so good!
I love you.
Hector didn't understand my hat. He didn't
Is this
get
a
it.
Turkish film?
Oh, this is my blog. Okay, so we have hello.
I am a stuntman.
Stole my money. My tiger. Can I get my cigarette?
Yes, of course.
This is Tiger.
This is my life.
This is so nice.
I raise these tigers to be in my zoo, and I love them, but I hate Carol
Oh my god.
Salam.
Selam.
Beni seviyorum Turkey.
Oh
Seni
yes.
seviyorum Türkiye.
Oh, this is a good costume, baby. You're clever. You're creative, baby.
The night of the.
I haven't done this in a couple of years.
I haven't done it before.
Never ever?
No, baby. I don't think I can do it.
We should count down.
3, 2, 1.
Done! Come on!
Oh, this was so quick. High five.
No!
This is a Salam Bibish! We're on a Turkish YouTube channel. Turkish channel, UNESCO! Getting excellent content right now.
We're
We're gonna do some fireworks.
So fireworks.
Some firefucks.
Fireworks
We're
time.
gonna do some firefucks.
Let's go. Let's go.
Oh! This one's first, that one's second, and the last one's third.
Oh my god, you got them all planned.
Yeah, I got a
Holy shit!
Yeah, I know, I got a big one. I got
Oh my god! The size of this.
I know, this is the big one. This is the last one. This is
It
the last
says
one.
bury halfway inside.
Yeah, I know, I know. I know, we're not gonna do that, but it's okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Get up!
Oh my god.
That was awesome.
I love that.
Fuck yeah! Alright, last
Okay, I'm gonna join you for the last
one.
one.
You gotta run.
The last big one.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh, that's hot. Oh fuck. How are you?
I'm doing great. My hands are absolutely
why are they like
filthy.
that?
Because I was digging in the dirt for the third
Oh
firework.
really? You're a good person.
But it was worth it because we didn't die from the third one, which I thought we would.
Yes. Money if I don't have my phone.
That shit is scary.
So we're leaving the house now, I guess.
Yeah, it's
Where are we going? McDonald's.
Oh yeah.
McDonald's.
Babishko,
So we're back.
We're back, tired. It's 2 in the morning. I gotta be at work in 8.5 hours, but we're making some motherfucking tea.
We're making some tea
We're making
there.
tea. We're gonna make some tea. Look at it.
It is here. We should, because he got it from an antique shop.
We bought this together at an antique shop.
Yes.
And I like it a lot because you can cook it straight on the stove and stuff.
You're a secret Turkish person.
I'm a secret Turkish.
You're
This
Turkish.
isn't the Turkish one. The Turkish one's got the second compartment.
I know, but still.
And the fact that I know that makes me Turkish.
He's my baby. High five, baby. Let's end this vlog. But let's end this vlog with this fucking
with Warzone.
Warzone, baby. Another tour. Are you ready for this?
We're gonna get.
Are we gonna be first
place.
again?
Tune in next time to see if we got first place.
Yes, let's
ciao,
go for
boom,
it.
boom.
Bye.
Ciao.
Damn, this shit look good. Look at this. Look at this.
I killed someone.
You killed someone?
Yeah.
Shit, she shot some bitch in the background. I don't know fuck was standing there, but don't fuck with no Turkish bitch, man. She's gonna knock that fucker out.
What's her saying?
I don't know, I'm just vlogging.
Okay. You know vlogging better than me, baby.
Gamer girl.
Oh, I'm gonna die.
You're gonna
Yes,
die.
I didn't die.
Oh fuck, we gotta go.